don't know if you can hear that. Rain is getting heavy and wind is getting windier. Look at that. There we go. That's some serious wind. That's some serious stuff here, folks. That's some serious wind starting to pick up. Branches are falling off into the street. Rain is just going everywhere, every direction. Wind is blowing rain everywhere. Crazy. Florida got hardly anything. We're going to get the brunt of it here in New Jersey and New York area. Whoa, look at that. Here we go. Now we're playing games. Here we go. Yeah, man. Leaves flying everywhere. Trees starting to blow. Rain blowing off the houses. I'm getting soaked, but it's part of it. Look at that. Look at that. Rain's blowing everywhere. And it's just the beginning of hurricane season. Another storm's following behind this. Only going to get worse, people. A little calm down, and then it gets blowing heavy again. You can hear the rain. Rain's just coming out. Here we go. Here we go. Listen to that wind. Listen to that. Absolutely crazy. Here we go. Listen to that. Unbelievable. It's starting to rock and roll here, folks. Holy crap. It's rocking and rolling. Wow. I just got soaked again, big time. Look at the rain. It's coming from the south. Look at it. Oh, look at all in the trees. Look at it all. And this is just early, people. This is early. The worst is yet to come. The rain blowing everywhere. Trees are bending everywhere. It's only going to get worse. I should have been a weatherman. It's one of my favorite passions. I used to go out in thunderstorms all the time. And my girlfriend's an ex-wife, so I was insane. Look at it, it just gets calm. And then all of a sudden it just picks up and slams. It's gonna slam again soon. Crazy. Look at all the water. There's no thunder here. There's no thunder, it's just rain and wind. All the time, just rain and wind. Look at it, just got calm again. And all of a sudden, boom, it just starts up again. You can hear it coming. Here it comes. Here it comes now. Starting up again. Here it goes. There's another cycle. Here we go, another cycle. Crazy. Well, folks, this is part one. More to come.